Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Frances R. Castulo, 35 years old. I have a living partner, and he is Lawrence Amulacion, 38 years old, security guard. We have 3 children. My eldest daughter is 11 years old. My second son is 4 years old, and my youngest son is 3 years old. My father's name is Renato Castulo, a farmer, and my mother's name is Joylyn Castulo, a housekeeper. I have one sister, and I am the eldest. I am a Roman Catholic and a graduate of UP. I work as a house helper in the Philippines for 2 years, wherein I serve 2 adults and 2 children.
What is the main reason for applying abroad? Why did you choose Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of much higher salary and benefits given by the employer to its household workers.
Do you have experience in taking care of a newborn baby? How about young children?
Yes, ma'am. I can take care of them by giving them nutritious foods, assisting them in taking a bath, assisting them in changing their clothes, by tutoring and teaching them good manners.
About how many children do you think you can take care at a time?
I can take care of 1 to 2 children.
Can you tell me some reasons why babies cry?
Babies cry maybe because they are sick, hungry, sleepy, or the diaper is wet.
If you are cooking inside and hear the baby cries, what will you do?
I will turn off the gas range and I will attend immediately to the baby.
How do you manage the houseworks and the baby?
If the baby is sleeping, I will do some household works and at the same time, I will check on the baby.
What will you do if the children are not feeling well?
If the children are not feeling well, I will immediately check their body temperature and inform my employers.
Are you also willing to take care of pets and domesticated animals?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any experience in cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Where did you learn how to cook?
My mother taught me how to cook, ma'am.
What particular food or dishes can you prepare?
I can prepare and cook Filipino foods, ma'am.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, ma'am, but I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods, ma'am.
Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn and speak the language?
Yes, ma'am. I would willingly learn how to speak and learn their language.
Do you know how to operate simple appliances?
Yes, ma'am. I can operate simple appliances like television, washing machine, electric fan.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly or bedridden people?
Yes, ma'am. I can take care of them by monitoring their vital signs, giving them their foods, giving them their vitamins and medicines if needed, assisting them in taking a bath, assisting them in changing their clothes, and giving them massage to make them comfortable now.
What will you do if you found money?
If I found money, I will immediately turn it to my employer.
What will you do if you feel homesick in Hong Kong?
If I feel homesick in Hong Kong, ma'am, I will just focus my attention and in my duties and my jobs.
What promises do you have for your future employers in Hong Kong?
To my future employers, I will promise to do my duties and jobs, to respect their privacy, and follow their rules, ma'am. Thank you and God bless.